Talk.
Oh my God.
Talk right now.
In today's video, we bring you footage of a routine police procedure that unexpectedly escalated into a full-blown confrontation. Stay tuned to see how quickly things can change in the line of duty.
Assumed it was 22.
No, 22. That's 20. It's 20. I'm
okay,
22. So
they're upstairs.
Yes.
You're downstairs.
Yes.
Good to know. I apologize.
Yeah. I know some girls are out in the back, but it's not me.
Well, thank you. Not
Have a good night.
You too. Sorry about that. No,
On September 2nd, 2023, University of Dayton police officers were handling a grand theft auto call when college students living off campus allegedly began shouting at them. After the call, Sergeants Oldham and Pullen knocked on the door they believed the shouting came from. Initially, they chose the wrong house, but were redirected next door. When a 20-year-old woman answered, Sergeant Pullen asked for her college ID to issue a referral for breaking a university rule. While she looked for her ID, the sergeant spotted what they believed was a fake state ID.
You ready to take her referral for?
I know, poor girl.
I have my paper one. It's just that mine.
What was the one I seen in the front right there? Is that your fake one or something?
Here's this one.
No. What's the one up front? The fake one. What's that one?
This is mine.
No. What's right there?
This is mine right here.
Okay, so now we're gonna play that game too.
That's fine. How old are you?
I am
Brenda's
20.
ID.
You're 20?
And you're drunk, huh? Cool.
I can smell the alcohol on you.
Give me your ID. Give me your ID or turn around and you're under arrest for underage consumption. State ID now. Give me the fake.
This is mine.
The fake ID that we saw that's on
Come on.
camera. You really want to go to jail over a fake ID?
I do not.
Then give it. We have every
I'm not
Want
playing.
me to give it to you in that? I will. If
You want to continue playing dumb?
Actually, I actually want to know what are you talking about? I actually want to know what the rights you're talking about. I actually want to know.
This isn't nothing.
It doesn't matter. I want you. What's the rights you're talking about?
Where's your student? You student here?
It doesn't matter.
It does matter.
No, it doesn't matter. What the f are you talking about her?
Vince, just
Talk
go.
to me right now.
Go.
I don't care.
If you
that
don't
talk to her.
stop.
Don't talk to her.
Vince,
Stop.
please,
Tell me-
please.
tell
You're
me
gonna
right
make
now.
it worse.
I don't have
They
any
don't
right
like this. They don't like it. They don't
Tell me
like
right
it.
now what the f.
Vince, go.
Give me your rights right now.
Go.
Turn around.
No.
Turn around.
Talk.
Oh my God.
Talk right now. Talk. Give me the f***ing rights.
Stop. Stop.
Give me your rights.
Get your ass down on
Give
the
me your rights. Give me your rights right now.
God.
Get back. Give me your rights right now. Get your back. You fucking abuse your powers right now. I have f***ing rights. I know your f***ing rights, bro. I know your rights. I know your f***ing rights right now. I know your rights. I know your f***ing rights, bro.
Oh my God.
I know your f***ing rights. I know it. I know it. Put your hands behind your back now. Your f***ing rights now.
I got his hand.
Ow.
You got
I
my
know your f***ing rights.
Get him.
You have to abuse your f***ing rights.
Give me your hand right here, buddy. Yep.
You guys are actually abusing your
You
rights.
want to assault me, you piece of shit?
No, you kill me a piece of shit. Jesus Christ, man.
Back here.
Oh my God.
You good? Come on. We got pepper spray everywhere. Okay, come on.
Jesus Christ. Get the f*** up. Pretend like you can't talk. I'm not doing shit. I'm not doing shit.
The female student was eventually charged with underage drinking, and the male student was indicted on 3 felony counts of assault on a police officer. All suspects are presumed to be innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
So every single one of those things has tags on it.
On August 16th, 2023, officers responded to a report of a habitual shoplifter at Target who had stolen from the store 8 times before. She was caught shoplifting again and greeted by officers as she exited. This is body cam footage of the events that followed.
So right now you're under arrest for theft.
For what?
For theft, I just explained.
Off me.
No, stop.
No, get off. Stop. No, please, get off me. Get off
Thing
me.
absolutely does not have to. You broke my watch.
Oh my gosh, please get off me.
Hey, put your hands behind your
No,
back. You're under
please
arrest.
Get off. For what?
You're under arrest for theft, just like I told you before.
What? Okay, let me get up. Let me get up.
No, lay down.
Can I get up?
Put your hands behind your back.
Can I get up,
Hands
please?
behind your back.
Can I get up, please?
Hey, stop pulling your hands away.
Hey, let me get up. Can I please get up?
No.
No.
Why?
Listen,
Can I please get up?
listen. The more you resist,
No,
the more
Rick.
things I do
I'm
that's
not
going to
trying
hurt.
to go to
Stop.
jail. Stop.
Stop resisting. As soon as you stop resisting, we can get you in handcuffs.
God.
Come and bring her
Get you
to
up,
the
Rick.
low back.
I'm not trying to go to jail. I'm not trying to go to jail.
Well, you just chose it today. 1 King 2-5, 1 custody. We'll take 6 King and fire to do an eval.
Fuck. Oh, my leg.
Sit up.
Nope, keep your feet out.
Sir, I'm not trying to go to jail. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to go to jail, though.
You should have thought about that before you run. I'm
sorry.
reasonable. I could have cited you and released you.
Please,
You
man.
started this.
I'm so sorry.
Now you're under arrest for obstruction as well for trying to run from us.
I'm so sorry.
Take a step to your left.
The female suspect was charged with shoplifting, assault, possession of stolen property, resisting arrest, and drug possession.
Stolen from this store is between $1,500 and $2,000. So if that's the
On March 2nd, 2022, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle with illegal window tinting. What started as a routine stop quickly escalated. This is the footage of the events that followed.
I'm not saying I was going to give you a ticket, but when I asked you out of the car and you're not going,
I don't got nothing on me.
okay, and you're not saying you're going to get out, you're making it a hassle. But listen, but then by not getting out of the car, I could tell you're under arrest. You want to be under arrest at that point?
I'm not even talking to you no more. I'm sorry. I ain't even.
So step on out of the car.
Bro, I gotta keep stepping out like.
You ain't got nothing on you, man.
Yeah, I know I'm allowed to deny you touching me too. I'm not.
Step over
I'm gonna
here.
let you touch me. That car,
Yes,
do
you
none of
do,
that,
dude.
Man, no, why is you trying to take me, bro? Don't stop
Right now.
All right.
I'm gonna take you. Hey, slow the down. All right. Get up. Roll the over. Roll the over.
Damn, get
Roll
on
the
my.
over. You just tased me. Roll the over.
Damn, bro. I'm on Britain Road, baby. Damn, why the you just tase me, bro?
Hey, you're just stepping up.
And get off my body, that shit burning, man. Please, sir, please.
Put your hands.
Damn, that shit
Stop.
hurt.
Stop.
I don't have to go in handcuffs,
Yes, you
man.
do. I'm gonna. Stop. Put your hands behind your back.
All right.
Put your hands behind your back.
Why
Right in the mouth.
Punch me, bro. Why the did you just punch me, man? This nigga just shot me.
Shut up.
Damn, you beat my ass. I can't even fight you.
He was charged with resisting arrest.
Get your vitals
Acting weird,
for
bro.
the little baby here.
You acting weird.